While today's build is pretty extreme, do you know what's even more insane? We got something truly special for all you gaming enthusiasts out there. Imagine diving into a world where epic battles and legendary victories are just the beginning. That's right, I'm talking about Raid Shadow Legends. And here's the kicker. By joining now, you will immediately get the huge starter pack with the epic champion Tyrell from the High Elves faction. Many players consider Tyrell to be the very best epic that Raid Shadow Legends has to offer, with his arsenal of high-powered debuffs suited for all occasions. And you'll get another starter pack after reaching level 25 that includes an epic Reacted Wrath. She is one of the strongest support epics that you'll definitely meet in your collection. But wait, there's more. For the first time ever, Raid Shadow Legends has a state-of-the-art gaming console up for grabbing, as well as Amazon gift cards worth a total of $10,000. Sounds too good to be true, but with Raid's Spring Hunt and Community Weeks, it's all up for grabs. Dive into the action-packed world of Teleria, take on formidable bosses, and customize your champions like never before. All you need to participate is to download Raid via my link. Go to springhunt.plarium.com, enter your Raid ID, and try your luck. And the best part? All this excitement is available on both PC and mobile platforms. So let me break it down for you. Spring Hunt, starting April 15th to May 30th, is a thrilling minigame where hidden treasures in Mistwood could win you a top-tier gaming console or part of a $10,000 Amazon gift card. And then there are the Community Weeks, a celebration packed with activities and rewards, including the legendary chronicler Adeline, who excels at placing crucial debuffs on your foes. To get started with these legendary heroes and dive into the fray, click my link in the description or scan my QR code here on the screen. Don't miss out on the action and the chance to elevate your gaming experience with free, powerful champions right from the start. And remember, using our link not only gets you these incredible bonuses, but also supports our channel to bring more extreme builds your way. Don't forget to come and find us in Raid Shadow Legends. Our name and clan name is Make It Extreme, and we're looking forward for you to join us. So what are you waiting for? Let's make history in Raid together. Click the link, download the game, and I'll see you in the battlefield of Teleria. It's time to make it not just extreme, but legendary.
1. Minor population is under sleep. Oxygen levels are normal. We arriving at the destination. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
just sit tight. When she lets her hair down, she drives me wild. As she looks in my eyes, she's in the groove now. Gotta make her mine. I've got to move now.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out Raid Shadow Legends, and we'll see you next time.